Hello.
Am I audible, sir?
Now it is audible. Good, good, good. You are from National.
Actually, sir.
Yeah.
Actually, sir, in my city, actually now heavy storm is going on. So due to that, sir, there is a slight, problem in video. If I turn on the video, so can I just switch?
Yeah,
off?
please switch it off. Switch it off.
Okay.
Yeah.
Sir, actually, earlier I have already gave one mock interview, if you can remember.
I know. Now I will ask something related directly to whatever will be asked for your interview in Federal
Yes,
Bank.
sir. Yes, sir.
What is your degree, please?
Yes, sir.
What is your degree?
My degree is MTech.
MTech
in mechanical engineering.
Mechanical engineering. Good.
And
So
I am currently pursuing my MTech from National Institute of Technology, Silchar.
So what is the CGPA you have scored now?
Yeah, my till third sem already. Third sem is over. Pursuing.
What is the CGPA you are scoring at this?
Yeah, I have CGPA of 9.36 till now.
Very good. Such good score. Are you among the toppers? First few toppers?
Yes, sir. I am in top 5, departmental top 5.
Oh,
not toppers, but yes.
Top 5. You are among the top 5. Good, good, good. Are you the leader of the group also?
Not my class, but I am a leader in a hostel. Hostel and hostel related some work. Yes.
Very good. What are the responsibilities you have in hostel related work?
Responsibility means yes, sir. Yes, sir. Actually, I am in the mess committee management. So actually, this is in PG hostel. There are 120 students, particularly in our hostel. So we have a group of 10 people, and we have to manage that. What will be the food menus and all? Cooker cooking their food. So we have to actually examine daily that whether students are satisfied with that food or not. So it's type of mess committee management.
Achha, do you have a proper timetable, like say Monday होने से ये breakfast है, ये dinner है, ये lunch है, ऐसा मपी आपका पास होगा ना?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We have actually breakfast time is from 8 a.m. to 10 a.m. Then actually students are going for college and classes and all. So lunch time is from 12 to 2. From 12 to 2 p.m. And when they came back, they are getting their snacks also. Snacks timing is 5 to 6. And now is actually the dinner time, 8 to 10.
आपका dinner हो गया?
नहीं सर, मेरा नहीं हुआ है अभी मैं इंटरव्यू देने के बाद सर प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, हम लोग लास्ट में करते हैं, मतलब
अच्छा,
we are going after 9 because
very good, excellent, good, that's right, good. That means you are a leader also. Good. So what are the qualities that are required for succeeding as a bank officer or bank manager?
So in my point of view, for succeeding a bank manager or to play, definitely it's a very responsible role for particularly a branch. So first and foremost thing is he or she should communicate properly with his employee and as well as with his customer also. Because banking is all about the interaction with the people. The more we interact with the people, the more he or she will taking an interest towards the banking, and he or she will invest in the bank. So main thing is we have to understand the problem. And yes, being a branch manager or this managerial post, we have to be a good problem solver.
Good. Acha, you are a native of which place?
I am from West Bengal, a district named Malda.
Oh, I know. Malda, I know, known for mango.
Yes, sir. It's also named as Mango City.
Yeah, बहुत कुछ mangoes मिलेगा, अच्छा से मिलेगा. What is the season of mangoes in Malda?
It started, sir, from April, but in April actually mangoes are not ripe. So if you want a ripe one, so you have to wait till from May. From May already available. May, June, July, and August. These 4 months are main.
4 months, very good. And why we get only during these 4 months only mangoes? Why not all through the years? Hello?
Yes, sir. Actually, this is the season.
No, why?
This is the season. Actually,
No, I understand. Mango के
mango
तो
is the main fruit for summer time.
mango season में आएगा पता है, but unlike other fruits like banana and all, it's available all through the year, ना? बोलिए.
So I think some botanical or biological aspect is there, but as per as my knowledge, only it is the summer fruit.
Yeah, suddenly.
But also, sir, nowadays from cold storage, they are restoring for whole years.
Acha, very good. That's really.
Yes, sir. They are restoring because there is a pickle. Some we are calling it that chutney. So
I know.
that's available throughout the year.
Very good. Very good. Good answer. Good. So now, what do you know about banking? Banking का बारे में बताइए. आपको जो कुछ जानते हैं उसका बारे में बताइए.
Sir, only banking or federal?
No. पहले banking. General banking का बारे में बताइए.
Okay, banking is all about making accepting deposit from public or some public or any sector and making advances to another.
Correct.
It's all about banking.
Good. Banking means accepting deposits from the public बोलने से हो जाए. Public बोलने से others also included. समझ गया?
Yes, sir.
Very good. You told nicely. Now tell me, what are the various sources of income for the bank? Hello.
So one.
Yes,
sir.
बोलिए.
They are the main source of banking is deposits and savings deposits. These deposits can be from public, from any organizations. There are various type of deposits over there, like regarding fixed deposit, and also main thing is savings account and current account.
No, you have not got my question. मेरा question ये था, what are the various ways by which bank get their income?
Okay. While providing loan to others, from that one bank can generate revenue by selling their some mutual funds, some insurance related things, mainly loans, sir.
Correct. So banks get income by virtue of interest on loans and advances made by them. Number two, bank gets commission by bank assurance services and for collection of mutual fund deposits. And also banks get commission on say various other services like say passbook issued, then debit card issued, credit card issued, locker and collected, etc. And apart from this, banks also get income from their investments, government securities. They are making investments from there, they get interest. And banks also get dividends on shares invested by them. They get interest on debentures they have invested. समझ गया?
Yes, sir.
Now, the last third point हमको बताइए. Third point जो आपने omit कर दिया, उसका बारे में बताइए. Banks make advances. Sorry, get income by what? Yeah. Tell me.
Sir, can you repeat the question, sir? Actually, it got break.
What is the source of income for the banks? You told 2 points. The third point I told you, can you recollect and tell me?
Yes, sir. Third point is related to some deposits.
No, no, no. Third point is banks make investment in government securities and they get interest on that. Banks make investment in shares, so they get dividends on that. Banks invest in debentures of companies, so they get interest on that, like that. समझ गया?
Okay, sir. Like government securities, shares.
Shares and debentures. डिबेंचर भी बोलने का जरूरत नहीं, गवर्नमेंट सिक्योरिटीज एंड शेयर्स ये बताना जरूरी है.
Okay, okay.
यू आर फ्रॉम माल्डा. माल्डा का एमपी का नाम क्या है?
Sir, recently actually Krishnendu Narayan Chaudhary has nominated for chairman and he is MP also in our town only.
अच्छा. Is
Krishnendu Narayan Chaudhary.
Is chairman of what?
Yes, sir. Chairman of our town and he is also MP.
Oh, very good, very good, very good, very good, very good. Good.
Actually, yes.
So Malda city, what is main, what is grown more? Only mango or something else also?
Sir, if I talk about the main thing or main production throughout the year, so yes, definitely mango is one of the main thing, and another is silk.
Silk?
Yes, sir.
Oh.
Yes, sir. In Murshidabad, in Malda, silk is famous.
Oh, very good,
I mean,
very.
In Malda, particularly an area named Kaliachak, that's also famous one. So they are actually that silk is produced, but Murshidabadi silk is very famous.
Good.
They are making silk from that.
Good. What are the various products of banks?
The banks has recurring deposit, fixed deposit account. There are savings and current account, and some scholarship on loan sanction procedure.
No.
They have some auto loan.
Yeah, products. Yeah. No, पहले आप ये ऐसा बोलना है, products पूछने से banks have got deposit products, advance products. Deposit products are these. Advances products are these. Apart from this, banks also provide locker facility. Banks also canvass insurance policies, bank assurance services. Banks also do wealth management services, like giving suggestions to people for investment. People who have more than 30 lakhs money with them, उनके लिए तो suggestion दे रहे, उसका ऊपर में commission मिलेगा. समझ गया?
Okay. So this locker is fully related to gold loan, right?
No. Locker is yes, a box that is provided to you inside the strong room where you can keep whatever you want inside that on payment of rent. आपका फैमिली को लॉकर नहीं है? आपका मदर को पूछने से पता होगा. बैंक का अंदर में या सो सेफ डिपॉजिट लॉकर्स का बारे में गूगल में फाइंड आउट कर लीजिए. The relationship is that of lessor and lessee. Bank is a lessor, customer is lessee. का मतलब किराए में जो घर देते हैं, किराए कौन लेते हैं? समझ गया?
ठीक है.
Yeah, good. Now after that, can you tell me something about priority sector advances? उसका बारे में पढ़ा है नहीं पढ़ा है?
No, sir. Priority sector.
नहीं पढ़ा है. I have given you 2 books ना, आपने जानते हैं? 2 books दिया है. Hello.
Yes, sir. In Telegram group, right?
हाँ, टेलीग्राम ग्रुप एंड ऑल्सो आपको व्हाट्सएप में भी दिया होगा ना मेरा ख्याल से 973 the moment you ask for interview I would have provided it ना नहीं दिया हाँ दिया है जी
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I just received.
हाँ आप लोग पढ़ता नहीं है पढ़ा नहीं है आपने वो पढ़ने से तो आपको आइडिया हो जाएगा कोई बात नहीं बट यू आर प्रिपेयर्ड समवॉट वेल आई एग्री विथ यू नाउ टेल मी say you are in Tezpur where is it
Sir, I am not in. I am in Silchar.
अच्छा Silchar
Silchar,
Sil
Assam.
where is Silchar
In Assam, sir, northeast part.
northeast part अच्छा ठीक है what is the climate now hot or cold
Currently, from 2-3 days. Currently, from 2-3 days, actually, heavy storm and rain is going. But usually, this is the time of summer.
summer अच्छा oh now it is raining
Yes, sir. Yes.
very good अच्छा ये बताइए हमको आपने ग्लोसरीज पढ़ा है नहीं पढ़ा है ग्लोसरी हमने एक
Yes,
लिंक
yes, sir.
लिंक
Yes, sir.
दिया
I go through some terms related to bank, like credit, debit, this check truncation,
हाँ
mid
ये
cap,
सब ये सब
market
पढ़ा है
capitalization.
very good
Yes,
check
sir. I go through some points.
very good I उससे I will ask you 5 points you tell me any
Okay.
5 points correctly बता दो who is an insolvent hello
Yes, sir.
insolvent who is he
Insolvent.
पढ़ा नहीं
Okay. No, sir. There are lots of terms.
insolvent is a person who is unable to pay his debts as they mature as his liabilities are more than the assets. Civil courts declare such persons as insolvent. Similarly, what happened in the case of Anil Ambani? He had to pay more money and he had less money at his disposal. And he was about to be adjudicated insolvent. But of course, his brother helped him. समझ गया?
Okay, okay, sir.
Yeah. What is MICR code? पढ़ा है?
MICR, basically, yes, sir. It's a full form is like magnetic in character recognition. Basically, this code is given on the check front face. Okay.
Good.
By
Very good.
scanning this,
Very good. You know that. Very good. Tell me what is mobile banking?
Nowadays, mobile banking is very useful because using this mobile banking, one can get the statement of his or her account in his hand. Simultaneously, he or she can transact the whatever the amount he want to send to someone. He or she doesn't need to go to the bank. Okay, so he can do it using his smartphone only.
Good. Very good. Very good. Have you heard what is microfinance?
And nowadays also in mobile banking, more or less all facilities are there. All facilities are there.
Microfinance. What is microfinance?
Sir, can I guess? Okay. Microfinance finance is, I think, if someone wants to start a small business, and if that company or that organization wants some funding, so at that portion microfinance or this comes.
No, but
Bandhan Bank is doing, I think, that work.
exactly. Microfinance aims at alleviation of poverty and empowerment of weaker sections. In microfinance, very small amounts are given as loan to poor in rural, semi-urban and urban areas. Correct?
Okay, sir.
Yeah, good. Have you heard what is mortgage? Mortgage.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Hmm.
Mortgage is something. Suppose I want to lend some amount from bank, or I want some credit. Not credit. Actually, I want to loan some amount from bank. So at that portion, I have to give some securities towards the bank. The securities can be your fixed account also. So that fixed account actually work as a mortgage.
नहीं, galat, galat. See, mortgage is giving immovable property as security. Fixed deposit security देना वो दूसरा है. Fixed deposit security देना दूसरा है. आपने बोला चाहते थे fixed assets, correct?
Yes, sir. Fixed asset.
Fixed assets in the form of immovable properties like land and buildings. उसको security को बैंक्स का पास में अपना डॉक्यूमेंट को देके लोन लेते हैं. इसको बोलते हैं मॉर्टगेज. समझ गया? Good. You told
Yes, sir.
not
So
not
that
bad.
fixed asset can also be that, right?
Yeah, fixed assets बोलना है. आपने fixed deposit बोल दिया.
Okay.
आपने fixed deposit बोल. Who is a teller? Teller.
Sorry, sir. I don't.
Teller is a staff member of a bank who accepts deposits, cashes checks and performs other banking services for the public. ये सब आपको ग्लोसरी में क्लियरली दिया हुआ है. समझ गया? What is
Okay.
universal banking? Hello. Universal banking
Yes, sir.
means
Universal banking.
पढ़ा है नहीं पढ़ा है?
No, sir. I've heard the term in glossary, but I don't know.
Please note it. Universal banking, para banking, retail banking, okay, then wholesale banking. ये सबको क्या क्या करके आप गूगल से सर्च करके फाइंड आउट कर दीजिए. यूनिवर्सल बैंकिंग का मतलब a bank doing all services like accepting deposits, making advances, and doing other agency functions like collection of say like insurance policies collection and wealth advisory services. सब कुछ काम करने वाला का यूनिवर्सल बैंक. फेडरल बैंक इज अ यूनिवर्सल बैंक. लेकिन आपको यूनिवर्सल बैंक, आपको पेमेंट बैंक बोलने से वो लोग आप खाली 2 लाख तक डिपॉजिट ले सकते हैं. दे कैन नॉट मेक एडवांसेस. समझ गया?
Okay.
Likewise. Good. Very good.
The retail banking does not dealing with the business wholesale, right?
Retail banking means what the actual banking done at branches where we open accounts for individuals and small companies and do deposit accounts and give loans also individually. That is known as retail banking, and also issuing of demand drafts, issuing of debit card, credit card. This is known as what? Retail banking. Wholesale banking is one where doing service for a large corporate, big corporates companies, and also for government on a large scale. Banking services done on a large scale. Okay. What do you understand by virtual banking? Virtual banking is
Virtual
also
banking, I think, in where customer and the bank representative are not face to face.
What is the example? Virtual banking is also called internet banking, through which financial and banking services are accessed via internet's world wide web. It is called virtual banking.
Even mobile banking is also a type of virtual banking, right?
Correct. Good. Excellent. Where is the headquarters of Federal Bank?
It's in Kochi, Aluvaj.
How many branches are there?
Till now, there are 1,291 branches.
How many ATMs are there?
There are I think 1,442 ATMs.
How many cash
And
recyclers?
among 40 cash recyclers.
440.
440.
Yeah.
Yes.
Then how many happy customers?
More than, sir, 1.2 billion.
1.27 crore. Million.
1.27 crore.
Crore. 1 10 100 1000 10 லட்சம் 10 லட்சம் கோடி 1 crore 1.27 crore. Okay, very good.
Okay, sir.
What is the present bank rate? Hello,
Sir, repeat again. Yes, sir, repeat again.
What is the present bank rate? 4.25. ये सब पढ़ा नहीं? ये सब पढ़ा नहीं आपने?
Yes, sir. There bank rate. Sir, I am actually not able to understand the bank rate. I have some slightly understood the MSF, CRR, SLR.
Bank rate is the rate at which Reserve Bank of India lends money to scheduled commercial banks. And the present rate is 4.25%. Repo rate is one rate. For emergency purposes, for short-term purposes, 1 day to 90 days, banks take loan from Reserve Bank of India by giving government securities as security, and for that Reserve Bank is charging 4.24%. Sorry, only 4%. Where the banks have got 4%. Where the banks have got surplus funds, they can park with the Reserve Bank of India, or when Reserve Bank borrows money from commercial banks, then they can lend it at 3.35%. 3.35%. MSF is also another short-term loan lending facility to banks at the same rate of 4.25. 4.25. समझ गया? Yeah. What is EPFO?
Employment for Provident Fund, or EPF.
Employees Provident Fund Organization. Employees Provident Fund Organization. Why we are talking about it? Recently, they reduced the rate of interest on EPFO to
from 8. Now it's 8.1.
Yeah, exactly. Good.
And this is the actually highest reduction.
Yeah. Good. Very good. What is LOTZA? LOTZA. Hello.
Yes, I'm not aware of that.
LOTZA is an app like GPay app prepared by Federal Bank using UPI facility. It is one of their digital products. Fed Mobile is their mobile app. LOTZA is a UPI using facility for making payment and all that. समझ गया? What is a DMAT? What is a DMAT account?
DMAT account is the account opened by a customer or any organization by which they can sell or buy mutual funds and stocks and shares.
Good. Excellent. Very good. You have told everything nicely. You are from West Bengal. কেমন আছেন? ভালো আছেন তো?
Yes, sir. ভালো আছি।
ঠিক আছে। আপনার favorite hero কোন?
Once again, sir.
Favorite cinema hero?
Okay. No, actually not. If in Bengal in around there's Soumitra Chattopadhyay. In Bengal, Soumitra Chattopadhyay, who is actually playing the role of Feluda, who is the most favorite detective in Bengal.
Good. Favorite heroine?
Yes, sir.
Favorite heroine?
Heroines are in Hindi, Alia Bhatt.
Acha. Very good. Who is your role model?
Sir, my role model is my father, because the struggle that he did from starting of his career,
What
that
is he?
influenced me.
What is he?
He's doing government job. He is in state police services.
Oh, good, good, good. Excellent. अच्छा, मालदा से तेजपुर जाने वाला, do you travel by train or by flight?
Sir, from Silchar.
Sorry, Silchar. Silchar.
Yes, sir. Actually, there are two modes. From Silchar, there is one train named Kanchenjunga Express, which is a very old train.
Hmm.
So directly that is from Silchar to Malda, but
Hmm.
that takes actually too much time, near about 26 hours.
Hmm.
So what I preferred, I directly booked flight from Silchar to Kolkata. Okay, and then I went from Kolkata to Malda. So
By
within 12 hours, I can reach home
by
by this
train,
process.
by from Kolkata to
Yes,
Malda by
by partial journey by flight, and from Kolkata then train.
Darjeeling Mail, na?
Darjeeling Mail is there, Shatabdi Express is there, Howrah Malda Shatabdi.
Oh, very good.
Lots of train are there.
अच्छा अच्छा, हावड़ा से भी गाड़ी जाता है मालदा का?
Yes, sir. Shatabdi Express. Most of the train are from Howrah.
पहले तो सियालदह से जाते थे.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. From Shialda, actually, trains are departed after, I think, 5 p.m. But if someone want to travel or start their journey in morning or in afternoon, so he or she will go from Howrah itself.
Very good. ठीक है चाहिए. Best wishes. You have answered more or less okay. And when is your interview?
Sir, actually, my interview is in 5th April, but actually, I told yesterday that there are 20 students from our college got interviewed, but everyone interview is over already. Everyone is interviews over. Only I am left. Even they have announced their results also. Out of 19, they selected 6 people, 6 or 7.
Mm-hmm. Acha. Very good. For you only it is coming very late. Why?
Yes, sir. Only I am left. That's the main thing. Why did they taking my interview like in different panel?
Why? Was there any Bengal boy in that group? Out of the 19?
In Bengal, sir, only one. Only one.
You are
like
the one.
Including me, there is 2. Including me, there is 2. But only one is already hired.
And unka hair ho gaya?
हाँ सर. और वो एक्चुअली मतलब प्योर बंगाली नहीं है, वो एक्चुअली बाहर का है, लेकिन he stays in Bengal.
अच्छा,
Like
ठीक है, ठीक है, ठीक है, ठीक है. Very good. So best wishes. So you are done well. Thank you so much. फिर और एक बार बात करना तो बोल दीजिए, बाद में हम लोग कब would you like to talk to me again on 3rd or 4th for just 20-25 minutes? Very straight questions.
Okay, sir.
Questions like glossary से पूछेगा और फेडरल बैंक वेबसाइट से पूछेगा और that मटेरियल हमने जो प्रोवाइड किया उससे पूछेगा. इसका अलावा करंट अफेयर भी थोड़ा बात करेगा, रशिया यूक्रेन प्रॉब्लम वगैरह वगैरह. समझ गया?
ठीक है सर. Regarding Russia-Ukraine war, what type of question they are told? Because as a person from India, in my point of view, I think we are not familiar. Yes, we are definitely familiar with that war that is happening. So what they will told? They will told like what effects or what is our opinion regarding that?
Yeah. No. Russia-Ukraine war. The main reason is said to be that Russia was not willing Ukraine to become a NATO member. So they started attacking them from February 24th. And as a result of that, other countries, European countries, and also our USA have given sanctions on Russia. And as a result of that, the exports of Russia are affected, not only export Russia and also Ukraine, because major export of wheat is happening from Russia and Ukraine. So in order
Yes, sir.
to
Even that rice brand oil, I think. that is product produced in Ukraine,
Yeah,
and
yeah.
that's why their price is nowadays it's rises near about 200 per liter.
Oh, yeah. So
Yes, sir.
similarly, on account of this, the India is also affected in, say, India was buying only 1% of petrol from Russia, but then India has, in order to tide over the crisis, India has bought nearly 400 or 500 barrels of oil from Russia, and India is maintaining a neutral stand that they are not supporting or opposing, whereas Britain is opposing Russia, and countries like Poland are helping our Ukraine, and America is giving indirectly assistance, and NATO leadership is also giving assistance, not in an open manner, and that in a lesser way. That is why Ukraine has been able to sustain against Russia for the last 34, 35 days. But now these two countries are expected to have a dialogue, then put an end to the war. As a result of this, more than 30 lakh people have been displaced from Ukraine to various other countries. And even in our country, from our country, a lot of medical students who are studying in Ukraine have been affected by that. And they were evacuated to India. So this general points like this. In interviews, they are asking like this, like which countries are helping Ukraine? Which countries are not helping Ukraine? Something like that they are asking.
Okay, sir.
Very good. But you must read newspaper. There is no escape for you to read newspaper. At least go through the current affairs snippets I am posting in our Telegram page. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Very good. Thank you. Thank you so much. Best wishes.
Yes.
Bye.
Yes.
So
Thank you, sir.
this video will not be posted. I am not saving also. If you want, I will save and send it to you. Otherwise, I won't save it also.
Okay, sir. You can save it. Actually, I think I have also one videos already uploaded earlierly.
या आपको एक अपलोड हो गया या ये सेविंग
Yes,
करके
sir. और भी है.
सेविंग करके आपको भेज देगा, आप देख लीजिए. ठीक है.
ठीक है sir.
Bye. No, you have
Thank you,
done
sir.
well. You have done well, but let me see. You have no objection in being posted, na?
No, sir.
Because kabhi some bachas, they are objecting to it. That's why I will. Okay, no problem. I'll post it. No problem. Thank you.